Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are making chicken avocado wraps. Let's get right into the video. Let's get started. So here we have 3 chicken breasts that has been cut into 2 equal halves that have been washed nicely. We are going to be adding half a tablespoon of salt. At this point, we are adding half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of all-purpose spice, half a tablespoon of cayenne pepper, one teaspoon of ginger paste. At this point, we are going to get our hands dirty. We are massaging our spices into our chicken and leave it to marinate for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, we are going to be oven grilling our chicken for 20 minutes, 10 minutes on each side on 180 degrees Celsius, and we'll be using this chicken after grilling for our wraps. For our wraps, we'll be using some sliced lettuce, some sliced avocado, chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, and then we've sliced our grilled chicken. We've also used fork to just scatter some. That's what you see right here. We'll be using it for another form of wrap, and we are using our ranch dressing from last week's video for this recipe. So if you haven't seen it yet, it will be in our description box. And we are using some tortillas for our wrap. So time to start our wraps. I'm super excited because I can't wait to eat it. So we have our tortilla here. We are spreading out some of our ranch dressing onto it. So here I'm adding my chicken. And then here we add our lettuce. There's no particular order in arranging the ingredients. You can decide to do the lettuce first or anyhow you want it. Adding our avocado slices here. Onions here. We are adding our tomatoes here. Sad news, guys. I lost the footage for when I was wrapping. I don't know what happened. I think my camera didn't record it and I didn't notice until now that I'm editing. I'm so sorry, guys. Maybe I would try and do another video of me wrapping the wraps. Maybe. So this is another option for wrapping your chicken avocado wraps. Guys, made it this far and you've still not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button now, and don't forget to like, share and comment down below the kind of recipes you like to be seeing on this channel. So after wrapping on a grill pan for 1 minute on each side, and we were ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace.